Scientists have just mapped the genes that shape the brain essential highway, the corpus callosum, using AI and over 50,000 brain scans. This discovery could change how we understand mental health and neurological disorders. The corpus callosum is the thick bundle of nerve fibers connecting the left and right sides of the brain. Researchers used AI to analyze tens of thousands of scans, uncovering dozens of genes that influence its size and thickness, many active during prenatal brain development when neural wiring is first established. Interestingly, the same genetic variants that shape the corpus callosum also overlap with those affecting the cerebral cortex and even certain neuropsychiatric conditions, like ADHD and bipolar disorder. This suggests that differences in this major brain highway could play a role in susceptibility to mental and neurological disorders. Beyond the discovery itself, the scientists have made their AI tool publicly available, allowing researchers worldwide to analyze brain structure more efficiently. This open resource could accelerate new discoveries about how genetic pathways shape brain connectivity and disease risk. While this AI tool doesn't yet offer clinical diagnostics, it marks a major step toward understanding the biological roots of brain connectivity and mental health. In the future, insights like these could help us predict, prevent, or better treat neurological and psychiatric conditions. If you're fascinated by how AI is uncovering the secrets of the brain, subscribe to MedNova. Full research details available here. Nature Communications, DOI 10.1038, S41467-025-64791-3.